remember in Mr.Mack's class when we talked about macromolecules?
Yeah.
Aren't these carbohydrates?
Yeah, I think so. Wait, what is a carbohydrate?
A carbohydrate is a large group of organic molecules occurring in foods, including sugars, starch, and cellulose.
Oh, okay. They're also full of starch. Starch is an odorless substance occurring widely in plant tissues obtained mainly from cereals, potatoes, and it's a polysaccharide which functions as a carbohydrate store and is an important part of the human diet.
That really makes sense. I have to study these notes because I did not know anything.
Oh God, come on guys, let's get the stuff. There's some stuff on this list.
We need a lot of cheese for this recipe.
Oh no, that has lactose in it. I can't have too much lactose.
Wait, what's lactose?
It's a sugar present in milk, including lactose and glucose.
It can be really bad for some people because they lack lactose, the enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolysis of lactose to glucose and galactose, and it makes them sick.
Don't we need to get chicken?
Yeah, go ahead and get the chicken.
That's really good. Yeah, that's big enough for everybody.
You need to grab some jalapenos.
Hey, aren't those peppers full of cellulose because they're plants and the tomatoes? Cellulose is an insoluble solution that's the main parts of plant cell walls. It's a polysaccharide consisting of chains of glucose monomers. We can't digest cellulose. So, how do we eat it?
Oh, I remember this. Cellulose is broken down by cellulase. Cellulase is an enzyme that converts cellulose into glucose or a disaccharide so we can actually digest it.
While we're at it, why don't we get some of these mushrooms to put in these quesadillas? Oh my god, that'd be good.
No, mushrooms? Are you crazy?
Hey guys, come on in. Oh, the brownies are almost done. Man, there's a lot of sugar in these brownies. Did you guys know that sucrose is a compound which is the main component of the cane sugar that we eat?
Yep, and sucrase is what breaks it down. Sucrase is a digestive enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolysis of sucrose into its subunits, fructose and glucose.
Yeah, my grandfather can't eat too much sugar. He has diabetes, so his body's ability to produce or respond to insulin is messed up, which results in an abnormal metabolism of carbohydrates and elevated levels of glucose in his blood.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope he's doing okay.
Me too.
Well, I guess we should go eat and study.
I understand all the other things, but I'm still confused on the carbohydrates.
Well, let's start from the beginning. A macromolecule is a molecule containing a very large number of atoms, such as proteins, nucleic acids, lipids, and carbohydrates, like the quesadillas and brownies we make for dinner.
Yeah, I know that, but when is it a monosaccharide, a disaccharide, or a polysaccharide?
Well, first you have to understand what glucose, galactose, and fructose and maltose are. Glucose is a simple sugar that is an important energy source in living organisms and is a component of many carbohydrates.
Fructose, like in an apple, is a sugar found especially in honey and fruit. Galactose is a sugar which is a part of lactose and many polysaccharides. That and glucose makes up lactose.
Oh, okay, so that means that maltose is a sugar produced by a breakdown of starch, and it is a disaccharide consisting of two linked glucose units.
Wait, what is a disaccharide?
Sugars whose molecules contain two monosaccharides.
So that means a monosaccharide is sugars like glucose that cannot be hydrolyzed to give a simpler sugar, right?
Yep, and a polysaccharide is a carbohydrate like starch, cellulose, and glucose, whose molecules consist of a number of sugar molecules bonded together.
That means that polysaccharides are polymers of monosaccharides.
A polymer is a substance that has a molecular structure consisting mainly or entirely of a large number of similar units bonded together.
Wait, so what bonds these polysaccharides together? A glycosidic bond, and that's the covalent bond that holds the monosaccharides together.
Oh, guys, make sure to remember that maltase, an enzyme present in saliva, catalyzes the breakdown of maltose and simpler sugars to form glucose.
Oh, thank you. I almost forgot about that. While you're at it, what is glycogen?
Glycogen is a substance deposited in body tissues as a store of carbohydrates. It's a polysaccharide which forms glucose on hydrolysis.
Wait, what was that solution that we used in that lab the other day?
That was Benedict solution. It's a chemical solution that changes color in the presence of glucose and other reducing sugars. Do you remember in class when he said something about DNA and carbohydrates? What did he say?
He talked about ribose. Ribose is a sugar which occurs widely in nature as part of the nucleoids and several vitamins and enzymes.
He also talked about deoxyribose. It's a sugar derived from ribose by replacing a hydroxyl group with hydrogen. Well, that's all our information.